Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Julia.
And I'm Alex. We're so happy you're here today.
Today's episode is very important. We're going to practice something simple but powerful.
Yes, today we're learning how to introduce yourself in English.
If you are a beginner, this lesson is perfect for you.
And if you already know a little English, this will help you feel more confident.
Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel.
And it helps more people learn English in a relaxed and friendly way.
Okay, take a deep breath.
Relax your shoulders.
You are safe here.
You can make mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Ready?
Let's begin. The first thing we say in an introduction is our name.
Very simple. Hi, I'm Alex. Or, hello, my name is Alex.
Let's listen again. Hi, I'm Julia.
Now you try. Say your name. Good job.
Another way. My name is Julia.
Repeat after us. My name is... Perfect.
Alex, how do you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Very natural. Practice dialogue 1. Listen to this short conversation.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. I'm Julia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now let's break it down. Nice to meet you means you are happy to meet this person. Repeat. Nice to meet you. Excellent.
Next question. Where are you from?
You can say, I'm from Brazil. I'm from Italy. I'm from Japan.
Repeat. I'm from... Very good.
You can also say, I live in London. I live in Madrid.
Listen again. I live in... Great. Practice dialogue 2. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm from Canada.
Nice to meet you. I'm Julia. I live in Spain.
That's simple. Short sentences, clear English.
And that's perfect for A1 learners. Now let's talk about work or school. You can say, I'm a student. I'm a teacher. I'm a nurse. I work in an office.
Repeat after us. I'm a student. Great. I'm a teacher. Nice.
Alex, what do you say?
I'm a teacher. I teach English.
Short and clear. Perfect.
You can also say your age. I'm 25 years old.
Repeat. I'm years old.
Good job.
Now something fun. Hobbies. You can say, I like music. I like reading. I like football. I like cooking.
Or, my hobby is painting. My hobby is running.
Let's practice. I like... Wonderful.
Real example introduction. Let's put everything together. Listen carefully. Hi, my name is Alex. I'm from Canada. I'm a teacher. I'm 30 years old. I like coffee and music.
That's a full introduction. Now listen again. Hi, my name is Alex. I'm from Canada. I'm a teacher. I'm 30 years old. I like coffee and music.
Now it's your turn. We'll guide you. Repeat after us. Hi, my name is... I'm from... I live in... I'm a... I like... Amazing.
You just introduced yourself in English. That's progress. Let's practice a small conversation. I'll start. Hi, I'm Julia. What's your name?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Spain. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I like music.
See? It's simple. Short sentences, clear words. You can do this.
Quick tip. Don't say, I am from Brazil country. Just say, I'm from Brazil.
Simple is better. Clear is better. You don't need long sentences.
Maybe you feel shy. That's okay.
Maybe you feel nervous. That's normal. But every time you practice, you improve.
And today, you practiced speaking. That's amazing. Good job.
Let's review our key phrases. Hi, I'm. My name is. I'm from. I live in. I'm a. I like. Nice to meet you.
That's a complete beginner introduction.
And you did it.
We're proud of you.
Before we finish, we have a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments what's your name and where are you from?
And another fun question. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
For me, it's coffee.
For me, it's a glass of water.
Maybe your quick breakfast is a banana.
Tell us, in the comments, what time do you wake up?
We read your comments. We really do.
Keep practicing, keep speaking.
You're improving already.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Nice to meet you.